Hey there, welcome to you in my YouTube channel. In this tutorials, I am going to show you how to adjust the spacing for header menu item in Shopify. So, if you have started your online business with Shopify and you wanted to customize your Shopify online store by yourself without hiring any developer, without any coding skill, then this tutorials will be very helpful for you. So, let's get started. Here is my Shopify online store and I wanted to adjust this spacing. Looks here, this is spacing in header menu item. Here is the header menu item and you see there is huge gap or space, and in this tutorials we are going to adjust the spacing for header menu item. Okay, to do this, first of all you have to log in your Shopify admin panel. So I'm going to log in my Shopify admin panel. Here is my Shopify admin panel. Then click online store, then click in this three dot icon, edit code, then open asset folder, open base.css file, go to the bottom of this file, add some space in here at the bottom, then simply add a simple code in here. Here is the ready code snippet. You don't have to write this code because you will get this code snippet source link in the video description, or you can simply type this code as you see. So you can select anyone as you like, as you comfortable. So I'm going to copy this code snippet, header underscore menu item, padding 2 pixel, 4 pixel and 3 pixel, 4 pixel. So just copy this code, then go to your base.css file in the dashboard or admin panel, then paste it, click on the save, wait a little bit time to complete. Okay, asset save. Now go back your store and looks very carefully in here. It's the current position or current spacing. Just reload. Wow, you see, it looks better than previous. So I hope you understand the total process, how you can do it, how to adjust the spacing for header menu item, or how to customize the header menu section. So thank you for your time to watch this video. If you think this video is helpful, then click on the like button and subscribe to my channel. And if you need any service support relevant Shopify, SEO or WordPress, then you can contact with me. Have a nice day. Bye bye.